Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today let's take a look at smartphone that's affordable yet packed with features, the Techno Pop 9. If you're someone who are looking for a stylish, feature-loaded phone without spending too much, this one might just be perfect for you. By the way guys, it's a sponsored video from Techno, but the information and the review I'll be sharing, that will be my personal thoughts. One of the best part of this device is that it starts at just 6499 including bank offers, and it offers some serious value. Let's explore everything it has to offer in detail. One thing I was surprised at this price segment, they provide everything inside the box like charging brick, USB to Type-C charging cable, a soft plastic case, and an additional skin for the phone, which we have already applied, and it gives a unique look to the device. So here a great job done by Techno by providing everything inside the box. First, talking about the design, the Techno Pop 9 is compact, lightweight, and designed to impress. It just weighs around 188.5 grams with a thickness of only 8.3 mm. It's super comfortable to hold and use even for longer hours. Due to the boxy design, there's ample amount of grip when you hold the device, and it doesn't slip at all. It also has IP54 rating, means the phone can handle minor splashes and dust exposure, making it suitable for everyday life. The back panel features a premium finish that looks far more expensive than its price tag, giving it a stylish edge over other budget phones. Moving to the display, the Techno Pop 9 features 6.67-inch HD Plus punch hole screen with 90Hz refresh rate. This means you'll get smoother visuals while scrolling or watching videos. It also supports 480 nits of brightness, which makes it bright enough for outdoor use whether you are watching your favorite series or playing game. The 90% screen to body ratio ensures immersive viewing experience. The 20:9 ratio makes the phone perfect for one-handed use while still delivering a large display experience. Sound is also balanced well. It has dual stereo speakers with DTS, which provides a richer audio whether you are watching movies or playing games. Content watching experience is really good and colors looks natural. They are not that boosted. Along with the balanced sound output from stereo speakers, it's a great device for multimedia experience. Under the hood, the Techno 9 is powered by India's first MediaTek G50 processor. This processor is designed for smooth multitasking and handles daily tasks effortlessly. It's clocked at 2.2 GHz, which is capable of running casual games and multiple apps without slowing down. The phone comes with 6GB of RAM, which includes 3GB of physical RAM and 3GB of virtual RAM. It ensures all the application stays in the background and you can switch between applications seamlessly. With 64GB storage, expandable up to 1TB, there's more than enough space for your photos, videos and applications. See, when it comes to performance, I did not notice any kind of issues while playing basic games. You can also play BGMI, but in BGMI it will only support 40 FPS, and I think this device is not meant for battle royale games, but other basic games can be easily played. On the other side, it runs on Android 14 Go edition with Techno's iOS 14. The software is clean. There are few bloatwares which can be easily uninstalled, and those are expected in budget segment. The software is user-friendly and optimized for long-term performance. Here Techno is promising 3 years of lag-free experience on this device. It comes with some special features like dynamic port, which has the support of face unlock, background calls, charging animation, low battery reminder, etc. And you also get things like dark mode support. In personalization, you can also create your custom themes, and there are also options to download free themes. When it comes to haptics, see, this device doesn't have that crisp feeling while haptic feedback, but they are strong enough, and I'm sure you won't miss out on any of the notifications or calls. Now let's talk about the cameras here. So the rear camera features 13 megapixel AI powered sensor with 4x digital zoom. It takes perfect vibrant shots whether it's portrait, landscape or slow motion videos. It also supports 1080p video recording, ensuring good video quality for this price range. In the human photos, the skin tone is very close to natural and you have ample amount of details too, along with the dynamic range which is well managed. While clicking close-up photos, the focus is instant, and I did not see device struggling while focusing close objects. I would say at this price segment the picture quality is good enough and we can't expect anything better than this. Though I did notice device was little bit struggling in handling the dynamic range while clicking portrait mode pictures using the front camera. But there were no issues with the selfies. They were good enough. Overall, I would say this device has a pretty good camera setup and the picture quality is also really good. The camera app is loaded with a lot of features like beauty mode, portrait mode, time lapse and even professional mode for photography. There's also a wide selfie mode for group selfies. One of the highlights of Techno Pop 9 is a massive 5000 mAh battery. It offers exceptional backup lasting more than a day. With a regular usage, you can enjoy 32 hours of calling, 9.5 hours of video playback and 100 hours of music. It also supports 15-watt fast charging. So even if you run low on battery, you'll be able to back up in no time. See, this device comes with some special features. One of them is this dual stereo with DTS. Second one which I wasn't expecting on this device, and that's the infrared remote controller, which lets lets you control your TV or AC directly from the phone, a handy feature for home use. You can also customize wallpapers and add personal touch to the phone. With all these features, Techno 9 is priced just at 6499. Without bank offers, it's 6999. It will be available on Amazon. So is the Techno Pop 9 the right choice for you? If you are looking for a smartphone that combines style, performance, affordability, then the phone ticks all the boxes. For students, first-time smartphone users, or anyone looking for a reliable secondary phone, the Techno Pop 9 is a fantastic option. What do you guys have to say? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.